So, good day, everyone. I want to quickly guide you through the formality for the exam. I think this will be the first time you'll be seeing this interface for the exam. So, I need to guide you so that you don't forget and we're on the same page. All right. So, if you have your Visual Studio and you've written your code, and it is part of the requirement that you write your code and you upload it to our server. So, so when you're done writing your code and you've saved, you know where you saved your work. So you need to first of all close your solution like I did. So when you close your solution, you go and navigate to the directory where your work is. So the directory for me, I go to my documents, Visual Studio 2010. I go to my project, then I will see a file. I will see a file called Salisu, Saliu. So this is the file, or this is where the project where my code is resident. Then you need to zip that folder before you can upload to the server. So, and again, before you upload to the server, ensure that your project solution is closed. Your Visual Studio environment, you've closed your solution. It is important that you close your solution. Else, some of your files will be missing when you're trying to upload, right? So this is the file. This is my project. I right-click on the project. I go to send to, I click on send to compressed zip folder. So you have to compress the folder. So clicking on this will compress it for you and turn it to a zip file. So now I have the zip file. You can see the file size now is 5 megabytes. Now let's look at the original size. The original size is 21 megabytes. So when you compress it, it saves the work or compress the folder to 5 megabytes. So it is this compressed zip folder that you will upload to the server. So we'll give you the directory or the URL address for the server. So we ask you to choose your favorite browser. Then we'll give you the address. And this is the dashboard you will see. This is the dashboard you will see on the server. So you go to upload, then you browse. You browse to where your file is. Mine is still Documents, Visual Studio 2010, Project. I saved in Project. So you will go down to look for that zipped file, Saliu. You click on it and click Open. Then it's there. Just click Upload. Then you can see the file Saliu zip has been uploaded. Ignore the time. Ignore the time. So you can see it has been uploaded. That is how you upload your work. Now, if on that day, the same process will give you the URL and will ask you to click download file. When you download your file, you'll be able to see the question and you'll be able to download your question. It's as simple as that. So remember that first, before you upload any file, ensure that your project solution is closed. Ensure that it's closed so that you can zip correctly. That's the first thing. So when you ensure that it's closed, you go to the project. You go to the project directory, then you zip the entire folder. It is important that you zip the entire folder, not a particular file, the entire folder where your project is resident. So when you zip it, then you go to your browser to upload to our server. I think that is clear. So I wish you the best in your exam. All right.